Ever been stuck in a situation where you desperately need a little extra cash? Maybe your car needs a sudden repair, or that perfect vacation deal just popped up online, but your next paycheck feels miles away. We've all been there. Traditionally, the answer might be a bank loan, which can involve a ton of paperwork and waiting, or a credit card, which can quickly spiral into debt. But what if there was a faster, simpler way to access the funds you need, without the hassle or the risk? That's where Younited comes in. Maybe you've heard the name, maybe you haven't. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Younited is and how it can help you take control of your finances. What is Younited? Younited is a leading instant credit provider in Europe. They offer a unique and innovative solution for people who need quick and easy access to cash. Unlike traditional banks, Younited operates entirely online, utilizing cutting-edge technology to streamline the application process. How does it work? Imagine this: you're browsing online and find the perfect new phone. It's on sale, but you're a little short on cash. With Younited, you can apply for a loan right there on the spot, directly through the retailer's website. The entire process takes less than 5 minutes, and you'll receive an instant decision. No more waiting days or weeks for bank approvals. Benefits of Younited. There are several key benefits to using Younited. Speed and convenience. The application process is incredibly fast and straightforward. You can apply for a loan from anywhere, anytime, with just a few clicks. Transparency. Younited is all about clarity. You'll see exactly what your loan terms are up front, with no hidden fees or surprises. Control. Younited offers a range of loan options, allowing you to choose the repayment plan that best fits your budget. Security. Younited takes data security very seriously. They use the latest technology to protect your personal information. Who is Younited for? Younited is a great option for anyone who needs a quick and easy way to access credit. Whether you're facing an unexpected expense, want to take advantage of a limited time offer, or simply need a little extra breathing room between paychecks, Younited can help. Responsible borrowing with Younited. It's important to remember that any form of credit should be used responsibly. Younited encourages responsible borrowing and offers tools and resources to help you manage your finances effectively. Always be sure you can afford the repayments before taking out a loan. Younited versus traditional banks. Compared to traditional banks, Younited offers a much faster and more convenient experience. There's no need to visit a branch office or deal with lengthy paperwork. Younited also prides itself on transparency, so you'll know exactly what you're getting into from the start. Younited versus credit cards. While credit cards can be a convenient way to pay, they can also lead to significant debt if not managed carefully. Younited offers a fixed loan amount and repayment schedule, helping you avoid the potential pitfalls of credit card interest charges. Beyond loans. Younited is constantly innovating and expanding its offerings. They're also a pioneer in personalized budgeting support, helping you develop healthy financial habits. The future of Younited. Younited is a company on the rise. They're committed to providing a better way for people to access credit and manage their finances. With their dedication to innovation and transparency, Younited is sure to play a major role in the future of financial services. So, there you have it. Younited is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. Whether you need a quick loan or simply want to learn more about responsible budgeting, Younited is a valuable resource to consider. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.